The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. A 10-foot-tall animatronic bunny is on the loose in the streets of Orlando. The bunny's name is Nosey. Nosey was last seen running past the bank. We are currently tracking down the person responsible for making Nosey. But for now, remain calm and shelter indoors immediately. Oh my God, we just got word that Nosey is fireproof, waterproof, has echolocation, and thermal vision so he can see people in their shelter. Okay, just pray that he doesn't see you while you are going to your shelter. Holy fuck, Nosey broke into the studio.
Tell my wife and children I love them.